Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got something that's going to change the way you hydrate forever. Meet the LARQ Bottle Self-Cleaning Purification in Obsidian. It's not just a water bottle, it's a hydration revolution. Imagine a bottle that cleans itself. Yeah, you heard me? With UVC purification technology, this bad boy zaps away 99.9999% of germs, so you can say goodbye to scrubbing and nasty chemicals. Perfect for us who are always on the move. The Obsidian White finish? It's like carrying a sleek piece of art. This thing resists fingerprints and scratches, so it stays looking fancy even after daily adventures. Now let's talk construction. It's built with vacuum-insulated double-wall steel. Translation? Cold drinks stay icy for 24 hours. Hot coffee, toasty for 12. Hydration at your ideal temp is here, folks. Lightweight, leak-proof, and USB-C rechargeable, this bottle's got it all. Plus, no BPA means no icky taste. Just pure, crisp refreshment every time. Convinced yet? Click the link in the description below to grab yours and make this bottle your new hydration sidekick. Stay clean, stay hydrated, and stay awesome.